Hey folks, let's continue with this MongoDB series, and in this video we are going to look at how to get all the documents from the MongoDB database. Also we are going to look at functions which are going to help us in get all the data from the database. So without further ado, let's start. Before going to start this video, let's look at this collection. I have already inserted some fake data in my books collection. If you haven't checked out my previous video, then kindly check it out because we have already discussed about this table in my previous video. So kindly check it out. So you can see I have already inserted some data. So let's go to our Mongo sh, or you can say Mongo shell. Let me just zoom and let's provide here, let's say db dot, let's say books dot find is a function, and let's press enter, and you can see all the data is here. You can see we have this first book, the author name, genres. This is second book, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So there are 7 books in my database. Already I have inserted these books. So that's how we can use this find function, and find function will get, or you can say fetch, all the data from our collection. Now let's say you want to apply a filter. So let's say I need a book which has rating is 4. So let's say db dot, you can say books dot find, and let's provide here, let's say rating is equals to 4, and let me close this and press enter, and you can see here we have one data which have rating is 4, and you can see in this all the data, the one data is containing rating 4, and this is the alchemist is legacy, and you can see. So that's how we can filter it out. Now let's try out another example. So let's say db dot books dot find, and let's say I need, I need author name. So let me just provide here author, and let me paste this author name. Let me close this and press enter, and you can see we have data which has author name, the Benjamin Parker. Now let's try out another filtration technique. So let's say I need, let's say db dot books dot find, and let me provide here, let's say publication year. So let me just copy this publication year, and let's say I need 2022, and let me close this, press enter. Oh, actually I have made a mistake. Yes, that's how. Press enter, and you can see we have 2 records which is containing publication year is 2022. Now let's suppose I need this only 2 thing about this data. I don't need this all the fields. So you just have to type here, after providing this, just type here, uh, let's say I need title, which is 1, and let's say author, and 1, and press enter. You can see we have id, title, author, id, title, author. Now let's take another scenario. So let's suppose I need all this data but not all the fields. So just provide here db.books.find, and here press enter. This is empty space, and let's provide here, let's say I need title 1, and let me provide here author, which is 1, and press enter. And you can see we have all the data but with only 2 fields, title and author, title and author, title and author. So that's how we can find all the data, or you can say all the documents from the database of MongoDB. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.